Hi everyone, it's Renee with Harvest Hill Cottage. I've got a quick furniture flip for you today. I've picked up these side tables at an estate sale, Mersman side tables. They were just gorgeous. All they really needed was a little updating. The tabletops were just lovely. Look at that wood grain. I decided to preserve the tops and just paint the base. So I got started with a good cleaning with Fusion's TSP Organic Alternative. And then I started sanding the whole piece. The tops just got a very light wet sand with a 400 grit sandpaper. I just wanted to prep that surface for a little facelift on top. Be sure to sand in the direction of the wood grain. The base got a sand, just a scuff sand with a 220 grit. Then I just wiped down the whole surface with a damp lint-free cloth. On the top, I decided to use a product called Howard's Restore a Finish in the color mahogany, just to preserve the beautiful finish on the top. With the tops were in great shape, so they really just needed a little bit of a facelift. Apply the Howard's with some steel wool. It just helps to even out any discoloration, and it removes surface scratches. Always go in the direction of the grain. Then you can follow up the Howard's with their finishing wax, and it just gives a beautiful finish to your wood surfaces. Okay, next I primed the base with an oil-based shellac. This would preserve any bleed through since I'd be painting a light color on a dark wood. I'll post a link in the description where you can find all of the products that we used here today. I used Fusion Mineral Paint's Raw Silk. It's a lovely warm off-white shade that covers really, really well. I often paint my tables upside down. This just ensures that you get a nice thorough coverage and you don't miss any hidden spots. There's me and my paint buddy. And here are the tables all finished and staged in my shop. I'm happy to report that these beautiful Mersman side tables sold within just a couple of weeks. Thanks so much for watching. I love a good furniture flip, and if you do too, be sure to subscribe so that you can see more DIY furniture flips and thrift flips. Thanks again.